Now let's talk about episode 6 of the Mahabharata series. Topic is the birth of Devrata. Ganga delivered a fine son, but immediately she took the child, walked to the river and drowned the child. Santanu couldn't believe this. His heart burst out, but he remembered that if he asked her why she had done this, she would live. This man, who had been floating around in joy and love, was grief stricken and became afraid of his wife. But still, he loved her so much, and they continued to live together. Another child was born, but without a word, she took this child and drowned him too. Santanu was on the verge of insanity, but he remembered Ganga's condition. This continued, and 7 children were drowned. When the 8th one was born, Santanu followed Ganga helplessly to the river. When she was just about to drown the child, he grabbed the infant and said, "Enough. Why are you doing such inhuman things?" Ganga replied, "You have broken the condition. It is time for me to go. But I owe you an explanation, so let me tell you why." A long time ago, sage Vasishtha was living in his ashram, where there was a certain cow named Nandini, who had divine qualities. One day, 8 Vasus were holidaying in the area. The scripture goes about describing the Vasus as people who flew around the Vimanas or some kind of crafts. These crafts were self-driven. They even go to the extent of saying how the surface of the crafts was so smooth, like the surface of liquid mercury. They say there were lights inside these crafts, but no fire or oil. The light burned by itself. These Vasus were hanging around, and they walked through Vasishtha's ashram, where they saw Nandini. One of the Vasus, whose name was Prabhasa, his wife said, "I want that cow." Unthinking, Prabhasa said, "Come, let's get the cow." One or two of them said, "But this is not our cow. The cow belonged to a sage. Why should we take it?" Prabhasa's wife replied, "Cowards always come up with excuses. You cannot get the cow, so you are coming up with dharma." Hearing this, Prabhasa became very macho, and with the help of his companions, they went and stole the cow. When Vasishtha realized that his dear cow was being stolen, he caught them and cursed them. "How dare you? You come as guests. We treat you well, and in the end you want to steal my cow and go. May you be born as human beings with all the limitations. Let your wings be clipped that you cannot fly. You have to walk upon this earth. You have to carry physical body. You have to be born, and you have to die like everybody else." These 8 Vasus then begged Ganga, "Make sure we are born in your womb. Make our lives upon that planet as brief as possible." Ganga told Santanu, "I was only fulfilling their desire. They just wanted to be born and be done with the curse. I saved 7 of them, but you saved the 8th one. Anyway, this is Prabhasa who instigated the theft. Maybe he deserves a longer life upon this planet. But because he is an infant, I will take him with me. When he is 16, I will bring him back. I will make sure he has finished his education, all that is necessary for him to be a good king. I will teach him and leave him with you when he is 16. Saying this, she took the child and left. Santanu became listless and lost. He walked about forlorn and lost interest in his kingdom. One who had been a great king became a frustrated, depressed man. He simply walked around not knowing what to do. 16 years later, Ganga returned with the boy, who was named Devrata, and handed him over to Santanu. Devavrata had learned his archery from no less than Parshurama himself. He learned the Vedas from Brihaspati. He had learned everything from the best possible teachers and was fully ready to be a king. When Santanu saw him, all his depression went away and he took to his son with great love and enthusiasm, coronating him as the Yuvraj or as the crown prince. Devavrata took up the administration and was doing everything well at Santanu's behest. So he became free and happy once again. One day Santanu went out hunting and again fell in love. So this is all about this episode.